as you close your eyes, breathing in and out now through your nose, I would like to welcome you to your very own personal spa day. This spa was created entirely for you to help you relax and unwind and to cater to your specific needs at this moment. From this spa sanctuary, the business of the day fades from view, and all that is left is you in this most peaceful place. Look around in your mind's eye. You find yourself in a beautiful marbled room. The temperature is just right, and your favorite aroma lingers in the air. Perhaps it smells of fresh rain or lavender. Whatever peaceful scent comes to mind for you right now is just perfect in this space. Soft, soothing music plays in the background. You see a soft bed in the middle of the room, and you make your way over to it. It's been prepared just for you. You make your way onto the bed, and as you lay down, it's as if a weight has been lifted off of your shoulders and you sink comfortably into this bed. The bed is heated, and the heat instinctively targets any areas in your body that feel sore or tired. A single white sheet is placed over you and tucked in around your body, and a warm compress is placed over your eyes. Your body relaxes further. You lie still and take it all in, feeling a sense of relief. You've been needing this. And as you lie on your back, a mist comes down over you from above. And as the mist makes contact with your body, you relax even further. Take a few deep breaths and enjoy the sensation of the mist on your skin. Your arms lie next to you and the palms of your hands are facing upward. You feel a warm stone about the size of a golf ball placed in each of your hands. And the stone very lightly applies pressure as it slowly rolls over your palms, releasing stress and tension and relaxing them. Another stone makes its way up and down the length of each of your feet, lightly applying pressure from your heels over your arches and up to your toes and back again. Your hands and your feet become more and more relaxed with each passing of the stones. Your mind is quieting and your body is lulling into a state of tranquil bliss. This is your time to let go. Take the next few minutes to embrace this feeling as the stones continue to move over your hands and feet, applying light pressure. All of the tightness in your body has now left you through your hands and your feet. You are fully relaxed as the stones are no longer needed, so they disappear. You're feeling rejuvenated. This act of self-care was just what you needed. You remove the compress from your face and the sheet from your body and slowly rise from the bed. And as you begin to make your way through the spa to the door, everything around you starts to fade away. Your breath begins to deepen as your mind and body realign with the physical world. You may want to roll your shoulders or ankles. Perhaps let your fingers and toes dance a little bit. When you are ready and in your own time, you can open your eyes and bring this newfound sense of calm into the room with you.